Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we disable eyes protection mode in our Samsung phone. Guys, you want to disable your eyes protection mode settings. So how can we disable, and friends, how can you disable in your phone? So today I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, we will on our phone setting to disable eyes protection mode. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys phone display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, again scroll. Friends, you can see your icon comfort shield means eyes protection mode setting. Friends, you want to disable. Guys, this right side of this icon, guys, tap here to disable your eyes. Eye comfort shield means guys eyes protection mode will disable in our Samsung phone. So if we cannot use guys eyes protection mode setting guys, if we use so we will have to enable again. So like that guys, you can disable your eyes protection mode in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye my friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.